welcome everybody to the second day of Šiauliai competition, and I'll give you some updates because last night I learned clock. I learned how to sell clock because the first event is Pyraminx, and that is a pretty interesting event because there's going to be 3x3, 2x2, skew, Pyraminx and clock, and I'll be competing in that, so wish me luck. Vakar plaukojam mācījos.
Tiešām?
Jā.
Cik tev bija?
Nu, man tā ir 40 sekundes.
Timingā palaisi,
Okay.
paskutinio.
Es pirmā reizi skijūbu salieku 2 minūtes. Skijūbu.
Are you ready?
Jā.
Yes.
All right.
Reflex.
Es tik ātri sasoloju skūpi, ka baigi excited paliku.
So in Pyraminx, Vilius won, and that was pretty cool. But now it's skew final, and I'm currently in 4th place. So I'll try to get in podium. We'll see. Just ended, and I got 4th place in the finals, and that is kind of sad because the last solve I got a +2, and maybe because of that I got 4th place. Who knows? But other than that, now it's 2x2, and yeah, I'm again in this area. What's beautiful? I'm kind of tired, but yeah, don't have any goals for 2x2. 7.6? That's bad. Okay, I think I got sub 5 average in 2x2, so I'm happy about that. But now, up next is, I think, 3x3 second round, and I really hope that I will get a good average because I haven't gotten a good average in like past 2 competitions. Let's see. Ielikt nepareizi vēl. Nepareizi.
Es vienkārši biju lēns. Kāpēc ir?
Irman.
Tāda gaļa Irman?
Primēr?
Irmans.
Mommy makeup.
Okay, come here.
think I finally got sub 16 average. Maybe sub 1550, we'll see. So that's really, really cool. Look at this beautiful place. It's very nice here. I am 8th with 15.42 average. That is so cool. Nice. I know why we're here. Okay, we're back and we went there because it was lunch break and we had time, and that is why we went to that hill of crosses. I'm not really sure how to call it in Latvian, no English, but now I have to practice a little for
What? That was crazy, Titas.
show me your reactions.
Oh! Oh my!
Okay, so now I have some free time because it's currently 7 by 7 and later 6 by 6, and I'm just going to eat some ice cream or something. All I care right now for the rest of the day is I want to get an official 5x5 solve, and also in 4x4 I want to get sub 110 average. That's gonna be pretty hard, but I can do that. And also I don't really care about the finals in 3x3, but we'll see how it goes. Now I'm just walking through the shopping center and I'll find a place where to eat. I think I found the right place. There's Hasburger. Okay. Also in 3x3 100 I got 28 or 28 something average. So that's really good. That is what I call ice cream.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off that.
Okay, so it's been like 2-3 hours and I already finished 4x4 final, and I did very bad because my best solve was like 1 minute and 7 seconds and the rest of them were really bad. So yeah, now the next event is 3x3 final, and we'll see how it goes because you never know. You're going to be nervous and you may get lucky, we'll see. But other than that, the day is about to just wrap up. 3x3 finals are about to start, but here's the setup. As you can see, there's going to be 2 salvers, and they also put up the medals. And as you can see, they are so beautiful. And here is the for Rubik's Cube, the avatar, I don't know how it's called. It is really, really beautiful. Waiting for final. I'm happy. That's it? Laps. Next day.
Please feel your thanks to
So the awarding ceremony just ended, and I got 2 silver medals in Pyraminx and blind. And that's it. Thanks for watching Šiauliai Open Rubik's Cube competition. And yep, see you next time.